A fundraising project is nothing without support. Were you aware that the One World Sight project is supported by Nelson Mandela? A trip to South Africa about 15 years ago found Dr. Weiss garnering the support of the former South African president. And speaking of support, how are patients responding to our fundraiser? To find the answer to that question, we're going to go live to New York and Maryland, thanks to Mogulus.com, to find out exactly how patients are responding to this national Botox fundraiser.
We've had a very busy patient day today, both just with cosmetic patients and fillers, and some of the patients have been specifically for this, and they're all very excited to be involved with this. It's a way for them to have a cosmetic treatment, but also be contributing to something of much greater good, so to speak. And the staff is very excited about it because it's really a wonderful thing to be able to help people on the other side of the world, and also do what we love to do, which is make people look better and feel better about themselves.
But yes, I think the people are thrilled that they're, it's typical of America that they're willing to reach out and help people in countries that probably most of them will never visit, but they recognize the great abilities and the great wealth we have in this country, and they're certainly willing to share.
Welcome back. I really wanted to thank Bjorn Tylerfors, who is the former head of the World Health Organization Blindness Prevention Project, and also Stevie Wonder. Dr. Tylerfors' participation was crucial. I went to a meeting in Nairobi, Kenya, and I identified Dr. Tylerfors as one of the key people involved in eye care at that time. He listened to this idea, and he taped a message and appealed to Stevie Wonder to help us with our effort. What you're going to hear next is a 60-second clip of what Dr. Tylerfors said to Stevie Wonder, after which Stevie joined our project. Now, Stevie was involved in the foundational efforts of our project and created quite a bit of enthusiasm among the ophthalmologists and among international ophthalmology. So right now I want you to close your eyes for 60 seconds. You're going to see how hard it is to close your eyes for just 1 minute. Just imagine all the people whose eyes are closed for their whole life needlessly. So listen to this clip from Bjorn Tylerfors to Stevie Wonder.
Dear Mr. Wonder, I am Dr. Bjorn Tylerfors. I'm the manager for the WHO program for the prevention of blindness based in Geneva in Switzerland. I have had the opportunity here in Nairobi to review together with Dr. Weiss his plan for the elimination of worldwide curable blindness. And I'm certainly in agreement with his stated objectives as defined in the mission statement. By working in conjunction with and supporting non-governmental organizations, governmental agencies, and agencies such as the World Health Organization, it may well be possible to expand on existing services and to provide sight to millions of people. Fundraising and public awareness of the magnitude envisioned by Dr. Weiss, if successful, is likely to have a major positive impact on the state of world blindness. I thank you in advance for your possible participation in this project.
Curing blindness is an almost overwhelming goal. What I'd like you to do in the next few clips is hear from a couple of people that Dr. Weiss interviewed at the American Academy of Ophthalmology, who also share our same goals.
So Nag, tell us about the needs in Africa.
Better infrastructure, well-trained manpower, and operating systems in place. The thing that the One World Sight project Eyes of Africa initiative can do in this continent is to bring in the replication of successful models of eye care delivery that is already existing in other parts of the world.
We agree with the One World Sight project that it's important to have replicated projects that can be used throughout the world from a model that's established with setting up these types of programs.
Our program and the One World Sight project, we sincerely hope will help to bring blindness prevention to millions of people around the world, in addition to restoring sight for people who no longer have vision.
Greetings from the American Academy of Ophthalmology meeting in New Orleans, and best wishes to One World Sight project for elimination of blindness.